What's going on YouTube? Taylor Prentice back here with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Supreme True Religion hoodie that I just picked up. With that being said, there are people working down below redoing my floors, so I'm just going to unbox this for now because I'm too hyped. Can't really wait to unbox it, so I'm going to do this and then I'll end up shooting the rest of the video at a later date. But anyways, getting into this piece, I'm super excited. As you guys can see, right now I'm wearing the orange hoodie that was from the first True Religion Supreme collaboration, which happened a little over a year ago. And I love this hoodie so much that I figured I had to get another one. So yeah, I just pulled the trigger. I went with the aqua colorway. I think this one was really nice. And one of the reasons why I went with the aqua colorway is actually because of the back of the hoodie itself. It has some details that the other colorways did not. As you guys can see here, the text is white. I think one of the other hoodies had white text on the back, but this was one of the only colorways that was like that. So that was one of the reasons why I preferred this color. But the ombre on this is really nice. The color is just really cool. And the hoodie is great quality. As you can see, I'm already wearing the same exact hoodie, but I'm super excited to try this on. I do imagine everything is gonna fit exactly the same and whatnot. It does seem like it's the exact same silhouette, the exact same material, which I am very hype about because that's exactly what I wanted and why I went after this piece. So yeah, it does fit me the exact same, slightly oversized. I'm about 5'7", 160-ish, so I typically go for a large hoodie when I buy stuff from Supreme. If you guys watched my video, when I was going to buy this, I knew that I was going to be going for a size medium because these hoodies fit a little bit larger. So if you are worried about sizing, I would say maybe go a size down, or if you do go true to size, just realize it might fit you a little bit baggier. I really like that baggier fit, especially like on the sleeves. It's a very nice feeling, and the sleeves aren't super long. So like I said, I am only like 5'7", 5'8", so keep that in mind too. If you guys have super long arms, you might want to possibly go a size up. But I love this hoodie. I'm super happy that I was able to pick it up for retail, which is crazy because these sat on the site all day long, which I like snuck to the bathroom while I was at work to be able to order this because I was afraid that it was going to sell out. And then literally I was looking at it like 12, 15 hours later, and the pieces were still sitting on the site. And the sweatpants were still there too. I really liked the sweatpants. I just was running a little low on money, so I didn't grab a pair. But if there's any chance that those are still there in a couple weeks or maybe at the end of the season sale, I definitely will be grabbing a pair of those because I really like the way that those look too. Specifically the burgundy ones caught my eye, but regardless, I think I could wear pretty much any of the colorways. I think they were all pretty solid. But as far as details go, we have the Supreme text on the left chest, covered by the True Religion logo, which has been kind of bedazzled. And then on the back as well, we've got some more bedazzling going on, which I think is actually the same exact design from the left chest. They just blew it up and put it on the center of the back. So as you guys can see here, yep, just says Supreme across, and then it has that applique logo with the bedazzling, the little jewel things on top of it, which I think is just really cool. Adds some dimension to the jacket, which I think is another cool aspect of this specific hoodie versus this one where it doesn't have any pieces that kind of like stick out. It's just all flat text. I will continue to pick up pieces from the True Religion Supreme collaborations as long as they're sitting on the site all day and as long as they're still making cool pieces. I feel like a lot of people didn't give the pieces a chance when in reality I thought the pieces were actually really cool. As far as the Gore-Tex pants, I wasn't really feeling those, and the jacket was a little out there, but the sweatsuit was out of this world. And like I said, if I do have an opportunity to get the pants for a reasonable price, I will be doing that. So I will make a video on that if I do end up doing that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it to this point, let me know down below what Supreme items you guys have been picking up. If you guys got anything from the True Religion collaboration or any of the other recent collaborations or just drops in general. But thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a long time since I've done a video of me like in front of the camera showing the clothes. Most of them are obviously just the little Supreme drops or Kith drops, Babe drops, all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of fun doing videos like this. As the Supreme season ends and the Palace season ends, I will be having to change my content because I won't be able to do those weekly drops. So I will be veering out, creating new content, just going over some stuff that I have in my wardrobe, showing off some of my collections, like my Supreme hoodie collection, stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in that, stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. But anyways, we'll see you next time. Have a good one.